I found a bag that is perfect for spring, the perfect color, and perfect for me. What bag am I talking about? I'll share with you in just a moment. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. As I mentioned before, this bag is perfect to me. The color is beautiful, especially for the springtime, and it is just classic. It's a classy bag that's just spoke to me, especially in this color. The bag I'm talking about is the Coach Cooper Carryall. This gorgeous bag. Look at that color. And this is called Marine. Oh, she is gorgeous. The length is 13 1/4, the width is 5 3/4, and the height is 9 3/4. This is glove tanned leather. That's why it's so smooth and so classically beautiful. The handles are 5-inch drop. The strap is 20. I'm sorry, I think this one is 17 3/4. The strap drop, 17 3/4, but it's also detachable. So I'm going to take it off. I'll just try and rip this apart like the savage I am. And there we go. That's your bag. Stunning. So let's go over the features. Again, the strap drop is 5 inches. I love this lariat feel. It gives it sort of a Western vibe, a Western attitude. It has the 4 feet on the bottom with the Coach insignia here. I love the gold accents on the corner, but also the gunmetal look. So it gives it a classic looking bag, a very stately bag. On the inside, and there we go. Just take the lariat out the front hook or the D-ring, and on the inside is that beautiful suede lining. So you have an inside open pocket, you have a center zip compartment, the suede lining, and let's go into it. So I'm going to come a little bit closer so you can see. So you see that inside open pocket on the back, and then you have those 2 compartments. I love the clean lines of this bag and your center zip. I know a lot of people don't care for the center zip, but I do. I absolutely love that. Do you see how clean that looks? The contrast with this color, the suede with this color, gives it such a clean, classic looking bag. And I also love the lariat here in the front. You just put it through the front, through these D-rings, and there you go. This little detail on it as well, I absolutely love that. This bag is just a gorgeous, gorgeous looking bag. The moment I saw it on the Coach outlet site, I knew I had to have it. It's just absolutely beautiful. I show you on this side that the way that this is folded, so it gives that gusseted look. just gorgeous. This bag is a must-have, especially coming into the spring. This is a beautiful and muted color, but such a big impact on your wardrobe. I absolutely love it, and I wanted to share that with you. Again, this is the Coach Cooper Carryall, and it retails for $595, and the style number is F as in Frank 22821, and this is in marine. Of course, I did not pay $595 for this. There was a discount when I got it. Absolutely love it. It is I certainly recommend, if you are in the market looking for something like this, a beautiful spring bag, I think this is the perfect silhouette. This is totally right up my street. I love this bag, and I wanted to share that with you. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please go ahead, give me a like, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. And as always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time, bye-bye.